Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Sewing with Tay. I'm Fantasia from the Eye Emporium, and today is a mini loc check-in. I am checking in to give an update on my mini locs. It's been a while since I've made a long form mini loc video, so I thought I would just pop in for future reference so that I can come back to this later on in the year and see how my hair has changed, and you can also see how my hair has changed. A little bit of a background. I wanted to lock my hair for a very long time, and I was just very hesitant. Although I tend to wear multiple types of hairstyle, changing my hair has never been something I've been afraid to do. But for whatever reason, mini locs was one of those things where I was nervous about. But November 2023, I finally decided to pull the trigger. So here I am about 14 months later. So to give you an update, I had loose natural hair and I started with mini locs. I have 283, something like that, locks, and I used the interlock method. So we just hit 14 months and I am still going to my loctician every 8 to 10 weeks, only because I said I was going to learn how to do this, how to interlock my hair myself. But yeah, I decided that I'm just gonna make it a part of my self-care to go to a stylist, my loctician, to get my mini locs retied, because I don't have it in me. She does it so fast, she does it quick, it's nice. I love her to death. So current products I am using. I recently just started using the T.A.E line. Now I have used them in the past as a loose natural, but I was looking for something new for my locks that I could use on a consistent basis. So I've been using this for about 2 months or so now, and I like it thus far. And I went in for a retie, and my loctician was like, I don't see any product buildup. Your hair doesn't seem overly dry, so it seems like it is working. So I am currently using the Protective Mist Bodyfire leave-in conditioner spray. Looks like this. And I'm using the African Healing Oil, like so. And this is a new bottle, but the Moisture Cleanse is for locks, naturals, and twists. Cleans the scalp and hair between shampoos cleans without disturbing the style. So this guy here, light's a little bright. Yeah. So those are my 3 go-to products that I use for my hair. I will say I used to be a product junkie. As a loose natural, I did use tons of products, tons of creams, tons of things. And one thing that I do love about Interlock is I'm just letting my hair be. I spray with a water bottle and to get them wet, to give them some moisture, and then I follow up with the leave-in conditioner, and that's pretty much. I oil my scalp because it does get itchy when it gets dry. So I oil my scalp like once a week. I spray my hair 2 to 3 times a week. But other than that, I am not doing anything to my hair. I'm just letting it be. I did finally venture out and I did add more product to my hair. I bought a foam. I bought a lot of body foam and I used perm rods to get curls in my hair. I was nervous about that because I don't want product buildup. I don't want lint buildup. I just kind of want to let it do its thing until my hair is fully locked. It's been 14 months and I still don't feel like my hair is fully locked. Like you will see, some of these ends are still very just curly, which I'm okay with. Trusting the process. So I don't want anything that's going to disturb the locking of my hair. But I did do a lot of body. And I was fine. I had no issues. I didn't have any product buildup. I was able to wash it out, follow up with these products, and everything was great. My favorite hairstyles as a mini loc girl are braid outs and using perm rods to get like a spiral curl in my hair. Currently, this is like the end of a braid out that I had before. I tend to wear my hair like this, and I will show you some stylings that I did over the past year, but there's usually some variation of this, some variation of a pony. Love that for me because it's easy as a mom of 2 boys, a wife, own a small business, full-time career girl. Hair is not one of those things I want to spend hours doing anymore. So I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite hairstyles. This is my 14-month mini loc check-in, and I'll try to come back in like 6 months and we'll see how it is, how it's going. Hopefully I have a smidge more length and a smidge more volume. Those are my mini loc goals. But until next time, bye. If you guys have questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm going to try to answer them as best you can. I am not one of those interlock girls who knows all the in and outs and the details. I'm a very much of let it be. So I will do my best to answer any questions you have. And I'm also pop in a before and after me now and before. But thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next mini loc update. But until next time, y'all. Bye.